Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Speak loudly. Good morning, ma'am. Oh, I can't hear you. Speak loudly. Good morning, ma'am. Okay. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly, don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hello lovely kids, how do you do? I'm happy to hear that. Let's get started with our class. Today we are going to revise CVC blends with I sound. Before starting, let's quickly go through CV blends. So we are going to revise CV blends with I sound. Can you tell me the sound of I? Yes, it's E. So let's start. B-E-B, B-E-B, D-E-D, D-E-D, F-E-F, F-E-F, H-E-He, H-E-He, J-E-G, J-E-G, speak aloud. K-E-Key, K-E-Key, R-E-Lead, L-E-Lee, M-E-Me, M-E-Me, speak with me children. N-E-Ni, N-E-Ni, P-E-P, P-E-P, Q-E-Qui, Q-E-Qui. You have to speak loudly. R-E-Re, R-E-Re, S-E-C, S-E-C, T-E-T, T-E-T. Speak with me and speak loudly. W-E-We, 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 X-E-C, X-E-C, Y-E-Ye, Y-E-Ye, and the last one, Z-E-Z, Z-E-Z. Now let's get started with CVC blends. Today's our topic is CVC blends. We call them CVC blends or 3-letter words. Why do we call them CVC blend? Because it has one consonant, one vowel and again one consonant. So we are going to learn the CVC blends with I sound, and the sound of I is E. Yes, you all remember the sound of I is E. Let's start. I-G, ig. Do you remember the rule? First 2 letters together and blend it with the last one. First 2 letters together, blend it with the last one. Yes, you all are genius. So first 2 letters together, D-E-D, G, dig. D-E-D, G, dig. Blend it on your hand. D-E-D, G, dig. D-E-D, G, dig. Now it's your turn to take it down. Done? Fantastic. Now I'm going to write the next word. fig, fig. Fig. Be careful about your lines. Fig. Blend it on your hand. Fig. Fig. Now it's your turn to take it down. Be careful about the formation. Have you all done? Great job. Now I'm going to write the next word. First two letters together, blend it with the last one. Jig. 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 Now it's your turn to take it down. Incredible, fantastic. Now again it's whose turn? Yes, it's my turn and you have to wait for your turn. Speak with me. Pig. 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 Now it's your turn to write down pig in your notebook. Have you all done? Great job. Now I'm going to write the next word. First two letters together and blend it with the last one. Wig. 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 Now it's your turn to take it down. Write down wig properly. Be careful about the formation of the letters. You should write between the lines only. Done? Great job. I'm going to write the next word. Big. 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 Now it's your turn. Write big properly. Big. Now I have completed ig sound words. I'm going to write id sound words. Which sound words I'm going to write? Id. Id. Now first word with id is bid. First two letters together. Bid. 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 You have to speak with me. Bid. Now it's your turn to take it down. Done? Now it's my turn. Hid. 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 Now it's your turn. Do it properly. Write it beautifully. Done? Again I'm going to write the next word. Did. 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 Now again it's your turn. Write it neat and clean. Right? Neat and clean. Your work should be beautiful. Great job. I'm going to write. Speak with me. K-E-K, the kid. K-E-K, the kid. K-E-K, the kid. K-E-K, the kid. Now it's your turn. Again, it's my turn. First two letters together and blend it with the last one. L-E-L, the lid. L-E-L, the lid. Blend it on your hand. L-E-L, the lid. L-E-L, the lid. Now it's your turn to take it down. Write it properly. Be careful about the lines. Have you all done? Now again it's my turn. You have to wait for your turn. R-E-R, the rid. R-E-R, the rid. R-E-R, the red. Blend it on your hand. Speak loudly with me. R-E-R, the red. R-E-R, the red. Now it's your turn to write down in your notebooks. Have you all done? Amazing. Now I'm going to write ib sound words. Which sound words I'm going to write? Ib. If we have done wrong, we can use erasers. So first word with ib is B-E-B, bib. Speak with me. B-E-B, bib. B-E-B, bib. Now do you remember the trick of hand? Yes, blending on the hand. B-E-B, bib. B-E-B, bib. Now it's your turn to write down in your notebooks. Write it properly, write it neatly. Have you all done? Good job. Again I am going to write F-E-F, fib. F-E-F, fib. F-E-F, fib. Blend it on your hand. F-E-F, fib. F-E-F, fib. Now whose turn? Yes, it's yours. Do it properly. Have you all done? Amazing. Now I'm going to write the next word. N-E-N, nib. Remember the rule. N-E-N, nib. N-E-N, nib. N-E-N, nib. Now it's your turn. Done? Great job. First two letters together. R-E-R. Blend it with the last one. Rib. R-E-R. Rib. R-E-R. Rib. R-E-R. Rib. Now it's your turn to complete ib sound words. Have you all done? Great job. Now it's my turn to write in sound words. In. Which sound words we are going to write? In sound words. Remember the rule. First two letters together and blend it with the last one. B, bin. B, bin. Blend it on your hand. B, bin. B, bin. Now it's your turn to take it down. Write down bin properly in your notebooks. Done? Great job. Again I am going to write. Speak with me. P, pin. P, pin. P, pin. Now it's your turn. Write pin in your notebooks. Done? Again it's my turn to write. Tin. Speak with me. Tin. Tin. Now it's your turn. Write down tin. Tin. Done? Great job. Now I'm going to write the last word with in sound. Win. 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 Now it's your turn. Write it properly. Write it neatly. Done? Great job. Now we have completed our whole page. Keep learning. You should revise these sounds again and again for more practice.